If you are looking for an alternative to Coinbase, Binance, which was previously a crypto-only exchange, has since become a fiat on-ramp. So, if you go to buy crypto, once you have signed up on Binance, now if you are in the US, there is a different Binance. For most of the world, there is Binance.com. For the US, it's Binance.us. So essentially, you can now buy with a credit card or debit card or with your bank account. Okay, so the advantage of using Binance over, say, Coinbase is two things. Number one, the fees are around about the same, if not slightly less than on Coinbase, which means you're probably going to get more crypto for your fiat money. The other thing that is much better about Binance is that they have way more altcoins that are available for you to buy with your fiat currency. So if I just scroll up, you can see that there are a ton of altcoins that you can actually buy, and there are a number of currencies that are available that may not be available on Coinbase. There's a lot of currencies here which Coinbase, they do cater for a lot of the world but not most of the world. So there is way more options for fiat to crypto choices on Binance. Okay, so you can just buy it directly with your fiat currency, and then with that you are able to trade it directly on Binance. Because if you are wanting a cryptocurrency that is not on Coinbase, then you've got to send your Bitcoin or Ethereum over to Binance in order to trade it for another cryptocurrency. So once you have bought whichever cryptocurrency directly on Binance, you can then trade it effortlessly with other altcoins on Binance. So it means you only have to stay on like one place. You don't have to go to two places and potentially lose your Bitcoin or Ethereum in the transfer. If you're doing it correctly, it shouldn't be a problem, but some people, when they first get started, they're a bit confused about public addresses and how to send cryptocurrency, and they're a bit scared, and so therefore just don't do it, and then they miss out on a lot of the cryptocurrencies that are available. Now, based on if you wanted to trade whatever you buy on Binance, let's say you can't buy the particular cryptocurrency you want to with fiat in the fiat gateway part of Binance, then all you do is you simply buy Bitcoin or whatever altcoin you want to buy, and then you can trade it on Binance using the various markets. So you've got BNB markets. This is essentially cryptocurrencies that you can buy with BNB, which is the Binance coin. Then you've got BTC, which is everything you can buy with Bitcoin. And then you've got alts markets, which is essentially all of the different alts you can buy with what you bought with your fiat. All right. So for instance, you can buy ADA with your fiat. And then you can swap it. This is F. You can buy ETH with your fiat as well. But I'm just saying essentially that what you can buy with fiat, you can also swap for another cryptocurrency based on alt markets. And then this is the fiat markets. This is what you can buy with your fiat currency. ETF doesn't really matter in this instance. So quite a lot that you can do on Binance now. And like I said, if you're a US customer, then Binance.us is where you want to go. Now, if Binance.us doesn't work in your state, then you may want to consider using the Gemini exchange or Kraken. There are others, Bitfinex, Gate.io. So you may want to consider using those particular exchanges if for whatever reason, Binance.com or Coinbase doesn't cater for your ability to buy cryptocurrencies with fiat.